All right, for the bonus problem, we'll talk about this. It's a little bit tricky. We're going to find the perimeter of this shape if x equals 8 feet. And you look at that initially and you're wondering, how in the world am I going to find the distance of maybe this side right here? How do I find that distance? Or how do I find this tiny little distance? Well, if we think about these algebra tiles, we can shift them. We can shift the picture. So I'm going to do that. I'm going to shift the picture a little bit. What if I said, that's my x squared, and I'm going to push this piece up so it looks like this. And I'm going to push this piece up so it looks like this. So then everything lines up and I don't have these little pieces that I know that probably cause some problems to people right here on the ends. How do we figure out that length? So I'm going to push everything up so my new shape looks like that. I can't forget my unit tiles. I'll put those in. Okay. Now, if I want to find the perimeter, I just got to add up all the edges. Hopefully I can do this in a way that makes sense because my picture is pretty small. So all I did was shift those wings up of my shape. So I know, let's just start here. This is 1, x, x, 1. I know this whole side right there equals x minus 1. And I also got a 1, 1, and 1. I've got a 1, x, x, 1, x. Again, I've got this x minus 1 side, and that's this. Let me outline it in blue. X minus 1 is this. This is x minus 1. Black is what I mean. I've also got a 1 unit side here, 1 and 1, and this side is x. Okay? I've labeled everything on my shape, and I'm going to find the perimeter or the distance around. So I know it's a little complicated, but let me just count. I'm going to count all my x's first. Okay? So I got 1, and I'm going to mark them so I don't make a mistake. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I've got 8 x's. So my perimeter equals 8x plus, now I'm going to count my units. I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to mark them so I don't skip any. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 units minus 1, that means I have 9. Minus 1, I've got 8. So I've got 8 units. So my perimeter is 8x plus 8. Now, and then in the problem it said, hey, if x equals 8 feet, what's the perimeter? So I can just put this in. I substitute 8 feet for my x. Perimeter is 8 times 8 is 64 plus 8. That means the perimeter is 72 feet. So the perimeter of my spaceship is 72 feet. So this was tricky because we just had to deal with those wings, and they made it a little bit difficult for us, but I just moved them forward. And then I could get solid sides that were easy to account for. Hopefully that helps.